Finding your Nest Thermostat's 7-digit code.
Hello and welcome to this quick guide. Today we will be discussing how to find the 7-digit code required for your Nest Thermostat installation. This code is essential for connecting your Nest Thermostat to the Nest app on your mobile device, so let's dive right in.
What is the 7-digit code?
The 7-digit code you're looking for is a unique identifier that allows your Nest Thermostat to connect to the Nest app. It is displayed on the screen of your Nest Thermostat during the installation process. This process makes it easier to remotely control your thermostat using your phone.
Where to find the 7-digit code?
When you start the process of setting up your Nest Thermostat, it will guide you through several steps. During this process, the Nest Thermostat will display the 7-digit code on its screen. Here are the steps to get there. 1. Start by turning on your Nest Thermostat. 2. It will guide you through an initial setup process. Follow the instructions on the screen. 3. After completing the basic settings, the thermostat will display a 7-digit entry key on the screen. Remember to have your phone and the Nest app ready, as you'll be required to enter this code into the app to complete the setup process.
What if I cannot find the code?
In some cases, the code might not appear automatically. If you cannot find the 7-digit code, don't worry, it's easy to retrieve it. 1. From the home screen of your Nest Thermostat, press the thermostat ring. 2. Go to Settings by rotating the ring, and press again to select. 3. Scroll to Nest app in the menu, select it. 4. Your 7-digit code will be displayed on the screen. And that's how you can find the 7-digit code required for your Nest Thermostat installation. Make sure to note down or immediately enter this code in your Nest app. We hope this video guide has been helpful to you. Enjoy using your Nest Thermostat to maintain the perfect environment in your home.